Well, we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, yeah, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine, good wine, good wine, good wine.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ronice.Chantal, but you can call me Ronice. Today we are going to be making a shirt with the new update that CRICUT Design Space has given to us that we've been waiting for a very long time. We spoke and they listened pretty much. So now we can print and cut larger images in CRICUT Design Space. We're going to do that today. So I know you're excited. I'm excited. So this will be my first project with this new update. So me and you, we're gonna do this together. So be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you know when your favorite uploads. So let's hop right on into CRICUT Design Space. We are in CRICUT Design Space, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna click on New Project. I'm gonna upload my image. I got it right here already in the program already, so I'm gonna do the Pretty Black and Educated just for Black History Month to celebrate it, and I think it'll look so dope on a shirt. So let's add this to the canvas. And it comes in pretty big, so let's resize this down. All right, so here is what we were able to print before the update, 6.75 by 9.25. So now that has changed, and if you were like me at first when I heard about the update, I quickly ran to CRICUT Design Space and to see, you know, if it was available in my program. So I didn't see it there, but I played around with it, watched a couple TikToks to help me, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. So I'm just gonna resize this pretty big so I can see that exclamation point pop up. There we go. So what you wanna do is hit this exclamation point. So it's saying the image is too large and this, that, and the other. So to go ahead and start printing larger images, you wanna hit the change page size, go to general, and then yours might be on a live like mine was. We have to go ahead and switch it to beta. Then it's gonna shut down, re-upload, and it will have then the new load types available for you to print larger, 11 by 17, which I'm going to typically print on according to my printer size. So then you'll hit done, select which one. I think this is the better option. I would choose this one. So hit done. All right. So now I'm going to resize my image. Here's the sizing that I'm going to put on my shirt, 8.6 by 12.3. So we're going to go ahead and hit make it. And now we have the new look. Now we have the bigger mat we can print on, the bigger paper we can print on, and we can get started. So I'm going to sublimate. So we're going to mirror this image. You can print this as big as you want. Like, that is dope. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and I'll catch you guys on the camera. I have the A-Sub sublimation paper, the 8.5 by 14. This one is the one that will be able to print through my printer. Hopefully, we'll see, because it's my first time, so I hope my printer can print longer images. Got this right off of Amazon, so we're gonna try it on this paper. Yeah, that doesn't look pretty. So I think what I had to, well, actually no, I know what I had to do was I had to change the page size to 8.5 by 14, the same size as what I got for the sublimation paper. So yeah, this is a little mess up, but hey, we can come back from it. We can come back from it. Just gonna do another one at the right size. So I'll be right back. So this is the right size we wanted at, 8.5 by 14 inches legal, and that looks a little bit better. So it shouldn't be cut off like this. That looks terrible. I do have that size. I accidentally ordered it, but it doesn't fit my printer. Silly me. So I just ordered, I'm going to return this, and yeah. All right, you guys, it came out right. There is the final. All right, let's get this on the shirt. Actually, I'm sorry, let's get this on the mat and let's see how it cuts. All right, I'm gonna place it right on the mat, just like so. Let's see how it cuts. My Cricut's not going to fully cut it because it didn't print in my printer the bottom registration marks. So I'm just going to skip this step because it's just saying like it couldn't catch the mark. So what are you doing? So I'm just going to take it out the Cricut machine and then cut it myself and get it on my shirt. No worries. All right, so like I said, no worries. Still got the image bigger than normal. So I'm going to get this on the shirt. I got the black registration marks cut out. And yeah, so let's get this on the shirt. All right, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and get this taped down. And this is for those who have the ET2400. I guess it doesn't print big images, but I kind of forced it to. I like abused it to print a larger image for me. So I got it. It just can't cut because it's not going to print the whole registration marks on it. All right, so we are ready. We're gonna press it at 390 for 60 seconds. So let's go. All right, you guys. Okay, let's see what we got. Whoa. Oh, that is pretty. That is pretty. That is pretty, y'all. I'm gonna press it one more time and then I'll take it out for you guys. So let's press it. That is pretty. That is pretty. It's big. It's perfect. Like, we did it. So let me try this on and I'll get right back with y'all. All right, y'all, here is the final results. They're pretty, black, and educated. Normally, before the update, it'd have been like this small, and I will have to like do a hack to make it bigger, but this is perfect. I love it. I hope you guys love it as well. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you know when your favorite uploads. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.